In the winter, we end up watering our chickens on a more regular basis, primarily just because we have our set watering system that's out in their coop, but to make sure that nothing freezes over and that everything's good so that our chickens can drink their water, I do always want to refresh that. So it got me thinking, how much water do chickens actually drink? I'm Danielle, this is Spadaro Homestead. So happy to have you here on our channel today learning about chickens, and we love talking about chickens as well as homesteading. If you enjoy this type of content, then definitely subscribe and like this video, as it really helps us create better videos for you. And without further ado, let's get back into the video. So how much water do chickens actually need? Now a chicken is actually going to need around anywhere from a half to 1 ounce of water for every pound of body weight that that chicken has. So you think of an average chicken is around 4 pounds of body weight, meaning that they would need anywhere from 2 to 4 ounces of water per day. This is obviously going to be different based on their breed, their age, if they're a chick versus an older chicken, their environment, if they're in a hot desert versus any other temperature. So you really want to have excess water for them. Any type of free access water is going to be really important to your chickens. And dependent on the time of year, you want to make sure that you're giving them cooler water in the summer, so not anything that's scalding hot, and in the winter giving them something that's warmer so that it isn't frozen or freezing and they aren't able to drink it as well. If your chickens aren't getting enough water, this can definitely cause dehydration, just like you would get if you weren't drinking enough water and you were doing a bunch of activities or just living your everyday life. Now, dehydration can definitely lead to other health problems, and it's something that you want to make sure that you're avoiding with your chickens, especially if you live in a warmer climate or it's an unusually warm day. Your chickens can get dehydrated a lot faster. So although they may only need 2 to 4 ounces per day, we always like to make sure that there's a really good amount of fresh water for our chickens available. If you have a bunch of chickens and it is really warm out, they might want to drink that up a lot faster. But the real question is, how would you even know if your chickens are dehydrated? Now, there are some telltale signs, one of which is lethargy. So you're just seeing them not move around as much, not move around as fast. They're gonna have a lower egg production. Obviously, there's a lot of water in eggs, so they really need to have a good amount of water in their bodies in order to keep up laying eggs. And they also will have silken in eyes, so you can identify it from looking at your chickens, looking at their activity, and looking at their egg production. The last thing that you really need to think about when watering your chickens is how you're going to actually water them. Now, there are a lot of really great watering methods. You can go anywhere from a dish, which you probably need to fill up a lot more often, to any type of watering systems, and I'll link down some of my favorites below. You can buy these at Amazon or at any other feed stores, as well as make your own. And we have a great video on automating our watering system, which is coming up next, so you'll definitely want to check it out, and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye.